On today's video, we're making garlic aioli sliders, and believe you me, these are fantastic. Let's get to cooking. First thing we're gonna do is make the garlic aioli. We've got 3/4 of a cup of mayo, 2.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, 4 cloves of minced garlic, and we're just gonna season it with some SPG, right at about a teaspoon and a half. Mix this up. Now, I've been thinking about this recipe for a while. I am a cheeseburger fanatic. And this recipe came to mind, and I thought this would just be a simple, easy one that everybody could make, everybody could enjoy, and you can pound like 4 of them if you want. Oh, that's so good. Put this in the fridge, let it chill. All right, how we do things in Oklahoma, we're doing double meat. We got the cutest little buns, and this is gonna go quick, super quick. We're gonna season them up with some SPG. So these patties, they're 80/20 ground beef, and we're running 1.5 ounces. That's it. We're doing double meat, so we're shooting for 3 ounce, probably 2 3/4 by the time they're cooked down, but a nice little beefy slider. So without any further ado, let's get to cooking. The first thing I want to do, since these are going to cook so quick, is go ahead and get a light toast on my buns. Set those to the side. Now, the burgers. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of like this last time, so I'm gonna give it a whirl this time. Season them up with a little SPG. And this is going to give it that garlic pop. And like I said, these are going to cook quick. I'm going cheese on everything. And this is my handy steamer, so I'll put it on there. While those are steaming, a little bit of our garlic aioli on the bottom. Fall off there, little dude. Around these little jewels. Bam. Just like that. Garlic aioli sliders. Can't tell you how good this garlic aioli is. It just makes these things pop, but I'm hungry and I want to dive in. These are messy as all get out, but absolutely fantastic. Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this recipe, head on over to kosmosq.com, print it off and make it for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. I don't know what the fuck they're talking about.